This tutorial is a very basic overview of HTML table tags, which is very important to update your portfolio section and also to update your trade alerts. So we are going to start with the basics with these few tags right here. When it comes to HTML, information is always in between a starter tag and an end tag. And the start tag is in between carets, and the end tag has a slash in front of it. So when it comes to tables, the first tag is the actual table tag that says that anything in between these two tags is going to be a table. Inside the table are row tags. So every table row is in between table row tags, which is TR. And and then any cell information are table data tags, which is TD. I've also thrown in a TH, which is table heading tags, which in our case will be bolded. So let's go take a look at an example, and this is the example of the short duration portfolio table. This is the entire tag for a one row and one column head table. So as you can see, we have the table start tag on the top, the table end tag at the bottom with the hash mark. Next we have the header section. It starts with the T head and ends with the end tag with the slash T head. Inside of that we have one row of information, starting with the TR for table row and the end hash mark table row at the end. And this is where all the good stuff happens. This is the TH header. This is an attribute that has to do with CSS, just ignore that. But this information here is the actual text that is contained in each of the data cells of that row. Position, symbol, portfolio weighting, entry date, entry price, dividend, exit date, exit price, and profit and loss. If we take a look at the actual page, this is the information bolded and centered that we are actually looking at. Next, and which is most important to you, is how to add a row. Here is your actual row. From the beginning of the TR to the end of the TR, here is the data, TD and NTD, for each of the cells in that row. For our case right here, we're calling it pending, and that's why we look here and we see that it's pending. What I would recommend that you do when you go into your actual updates is to copy everything in the row, paste it to create a new row, and then edit the information. 1, 2, 3. Whoops, we have 2 7s. If you want to take a look at the preview of what this looks like, we see that the information has added a new row. And you know what, now that I'm actually doing this, I had changed this. I'm going to go and change the border to be 1, because then it makes your table look a little bit better. We can also edit colors and the look of your table later if you'd like, but that is how you update your portfolio pages and how you edit a table.